Hey, let's go well, sort of. Now I'm working on my 96 Audi caberlet. Let's see. Nice car. Now, I want to go get an inspection so I can get my thing done and get my sticker in, and I realized I couldn't because I couldn't find an OBD whatsoever. It was really confusing. So I looked underneath the dash. I looked all underneath the dash and I realized it was not even there. And I thought that little spot right there was the shit. But no. Then I took it apart from all this just to go get to it. I realized negative. So, let's see. So, I looked underneath my dash. Over here, inside there, even underneath here. Nothing. I'll tell you where it is. If you look over here and you move this ashtray, that's going to be right in there. Right in there. Right in the ashtray. So if you found this helpful, hey, you know, give me a ring. But I'm going to let you know what's going on because I work on these things every day. So, and another thing I'm experiencing, my light's not even on, it's glowing, so that's the next thing I gotta find out. Alright, ciao ciao.